Alright, just got here, fixing to unload this thing. Come up here to the International. It pulled pretty good, handled the load very well. As far as pulling, the white Dodge will still, I think it pulls just as good as this one does, but with the heavier axle and everything, it feels better going down the going down the road. But as far as power, the 24 valve Cummins has more power than this truck, but with the gearing and everything, they're pretty close. But this one here, it just don't have the low end torque that the Cummins has. But I'm gonna get this thing off here. We're gonna get started baling some hay. All right, I finished baling that field. I hauled the thing home. Now I've got here, Papa started about an hour ahead of me, and I don't think he's that far ahead of me, even without Dad here baling. And yes, the Vermeer is going, as y'all can see. He's been stopped since I was. Look how slow that thing is. God, that just drives me nuts. There you go. That classic 504M right there. Torn net. The baler's a good baler. I ain't going off on it or nothing, because it has give us good use. It's got 3,000 to 4,000 rolls less through it than this claas does. But you see that there? That is what I hate about that design that Deere and Vermeer uses together, with those stupid little things that go on the bottom of the belts on the chamber. It tears something awful. Try to catch up to. He's dirty. This is rare though, we don't ever show them together. Whoop. I wanted to do a better job of filming this baler today in the field and have time to set up my tripod and stuff while we're baling, but I'm not going to have time. The rain's coming and it's going to be pouring out. The weather forecast has changed. We had 2 extra days of dry weather. We've lost those days now. See, and we've lost those days. Basically, tomorrow it's going to be raining, so I've got to get all this 40 acres baled. Then I've got to go bale probably another 20 after that today, unless I can't get it done for some reason. It's got to be done. But all 3 of us are here. Papa's raking, Dad's baling, I'm baling. I wish we could time it right where he tied one and I tied one, and I could show y'all how much faster this one is at tying, just sitting next to one another. But it's hard to do. Every now and then I might be able to get lucky and get a shot of it. But we're whipping her out. Papa better get to rolling, that's all I got to say. Y'all are wondering on this kit, I haven't, since yesterday when I got my compression roller set, I had to stop one time and get out. Hopefully it keeps going good. I hope it can keep going good. I hope Papa can keep throwing some hay in a row. We got a lot to bale places a little thinner than it normally is. Most I ever got off of was 260 something one year, and then but generally every year in the spring cut I get somewhere around, I get over 200, but I'll get like 210 or something like that, 205. And then the second cut around I'll get about 160 or so, something like that. Depending on the rainfall, sometimes I get more. Hopefully everything keeps going good. We don't throw out a good many, no longer than I've been here. I am running 6 miles an hour and 7.5 miles an hour. Like I said before, it's generally what I bail at. Maybe I'll get a catch him and just tying at the same time. Here in a minute. Well, they got all three of us right here in one quad. We're 3 wide. Got Pop on the left and Dad on the right. Looks like Papa's taking the lead. Now you gonna have it for long. We're catching him. This ground is rough. Hay's pretty heavy right here, so we'll see. I'm hoping for 200. That's normally what we get. We'll see. But I think we got somewhere around 60 acres to bale today, or left to bale today. Close to it. I've already baled 10 before I got here. Probably 70 acres today. Gonna be rolling up. If I can get to it, I'm hoping I can, because I don't want it to get wet. Evidently you got it fixed, because it's back rolling pretty good again. It's doing a good job at Vermeer is. These things' speed is just slower, and the tightness of the bales, it don't bale very tight because it has no core density. The center of the core of the bales are soft. They'll wind up and squat on account of it. Another thing I don't like about that baler, and it is a regular 504M. It's not classic. It's not a solid special, nothing. They didn't make the regular 504M very long because it had no core density. For some reason or other, it couldn't put a core density on that baler. The 604Ms had core density. They were a completely different story. Now why they couldn't put it on 504, I have no idea. But they replaced it with the 504 Classic and then the later model that came out after that. But they can't hang with this one. This thing just eats bit. This baler is than his. He had a 15-minute head start on me, and he baled 14 less rolls than I did, and I was putting more hay to a roll than him. So that puts it in a little perspective of what I'm doing, and I was taking my time too, and he wasn't. So I'd really been getting on with it, and I probably could have done a lot more. I'm gonna call this enough for this video. Thanks for watching. I know this was all over the place kind of video, but I'm just trying to get as much baled as fast as I can. The kit that I got is working perfect right now. It has been ever since, well, really since I started until I got that roller adjusted right, which didn't have nothing to do with the kit. I just set everything back to the way it's the spec said it was supposed to be. But like I said, with these bigger rolls, you have to have that crimp roller a little bit tighter than the spec calls for to get it to turn them. Once I adjusted it back kind of the way I had it before, I'm not as aggressive as I was, but damn, sucked up a limb I didn't want to suck up. Anyway, it's just a twig limb, but the kit is working perfect. Baler's tying perfect. I can't ask for it to tie any better than it's tying. It's doing a real good job, and I am pleased with it. So, thumbs up to the kit right now. Me and Papa's going to keep baling hay. I hope y'all liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.